The Tribute by Jane Gardam is a sharp, satirical short story focusing on three elderly, upper-class women, Fanny, Mabel, and Nellie, who are former diplomatic wives. Meeting for an expensive lunch, they discuss arranging a small tribute for their recently deceased former nanny, Dench. Their conversation is laced with casual snobbery, revealing that they treated Dench poorly, never paid her a proper wage or pension, and viewed her as a cheap convenience rather than a person. Their hypocrisy is shattered by the arrival of a fashionably dressed woman they assume to be Dench's niece. She pointedly highlights their past cruelties, before revealing the shocking twist. She's actually Polly Knock, a different child Denshu once cared for, and Denshu had secretly inherited a large fortune, left £200,000 to Polly, rewarding a single childhood act of kindness while deliberately excluding the three mean-spirited women.